Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Endovia Health Sciences Incorporated, ticker SBEV, just filed a Form 8K, and I am seeing some very interesting executive appointments and compensation details. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is bringing on new leadership with a performance base pay structure that could really shake things up if they hit their targets. Alright, so Endovia Health Sciences Incorporated, or SBEV as it is traded on the NICE American, has filed an 8K. This form is used to announce major corporate events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as a public announcement for significant happenings. The big news here is that on the 20th of August 2026, Endovia Health Sciences made some key hires. They brought in Brady Cobb as Interim Chief Executive Officer and Michael Bondurant as Interim Chief Operating Officer. This is a pretty important move for any company, especially when it is during a transformation period. Now, Endovia Health Sciences itself has been going through some changes. We've seen news recently that Splash Beverage Group is officially becoming Endovia Health Sciences. They are even changing their ticker symbol to E.N.D.O.V.I.A starting the 21st of August. So this 8K filing is happening right at the cusp of that rebranding. Let's dive into what these new executives will be paid, because it is tied directly to the company's performance, which is always a good sign. For both Mr. Cobb and Mr. Bondurant, their compensation includes a base salary of $300,000 for Mr. Cobb and $275,000 for Mr. Bondurant. But that is just the start. They also have bonus targets. The first bonus is $50,000 if the company's market capitalization increases by $5 million above its current level. Measured by the 30th of October, given the current market cap is around $3 million, this means they need to more than double their market cap for this bonus. This is a really ambitious target. Then, there is another $50,000 bonus if the market capitalization hits an even higher mark, $10 million above the current value by the end of the year. So, if they can get the market cap up significantly, they are rewarded. And there is a third bonus component, 3% of any market capitalization growth beyond that $10 million increase, capping out at a total bonus of $300,000. This structure heavily incentivizes them to drive serious growth in the company's valuation. Tracking these kinds of performance incentives is crucial for understanding a company's direction. If you are looking for a way to keep tabs on all the key metrics, red flags, and overall health of companies like Endovia, you should check out Decoded.report. It distills complex filings into easy to understand risk scores and red flag scans, with direct links to the filings themselves. The direct link is in the description and the pinned comment below. Let's jump straight back into it. Beyond cash bonuses, both executives are receiving stock options. Mr. Cobb got 231,250 options and Mr. Bondurant received 200,000 options. These are important because they give them the right to buy company stock at a set price in the future. If the stock price goes up, these options become more valuable. They are also set to receive restricted stock units, or RSUs, but that needs shareholder approval first. Here is where it gets really interesting with the equity. Subject to shareholder approval, each of them will be entitled to receive a portion of a significant block of shares. Specifically, it looks like 7% of a 20% block of the company's fully diluted shares outstanding. This is a substantial amount of equity and shows the company is really betting on these executives to deliver. If they can get this approved, it means a significant chunk of the company's future value could be in the hands of these two leaders. There is also a clause about what happens if their employment ends unexpectedly, if the company terminates them without a good reason, or if the company is acquired in a change of control transaction. All their invested options and RSUs will immediately become vested. This is a common golden parachute type of clause designed to protect executives in certain situations. The full details of these agreements are filed as exhibits to this 8K. Exhibit 10.1 is the employment agreement with Brady Cobb, and Exhibit 10.2 is the employment agreement with Michael Bondurant. These documents would contain all the legalese and specific terms. This filing and these executive appointments come at a critical time for Endovia Health Sciences. With the rebranding from Splash Beverage Group happening right now, bringing in experienced leadership with a strong performance-based incentive structure makes a lot of sense. They are clearly signaling a focus on growth and shareholder value. Looking at the company's stock SBEV, it has been very volatile over the past year, trading anywhere from $0.25 to $13.4. Currently, it is trading around $0.32 with a market cap of only $3 million. This makes those bonus targets, which require a significant increase in market cap, extremely challenging but also highly rewarding for the executives. If they can achieve those milestones, it would represent a massive turnaround for the company's valuation. The filing is signed by Brady Cobb himself as Interim Chief Executive Officer on the 26th of August 2026, this indicates he's already actively involved in the company's operations and reporting. So, what is the takeaway here? Endovia Health Sciences is making a bold move by bringing in new leadership and tying their compensation very directly to market cap growth. This strategy can be incredibly effective if the executives can actually deliver. However, the current market cap is quite low, meaning the hurdles to earn those bonuses are substantial. It shows a company that is serious about turning things around and is willing to put significant incentives in place to make it happen. The risk I am watching is whether the company can achieve the substantial market cap growth required to hit those bonus targets, especially given its current size and historical stock price volatility. What I am actually looking for is how this new leadership navigates the rebranding and the execution of their growth strategy. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded, like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord. Links in description.